afternoon, friends. This is Nijil Nair from Sanis Engineering Classes. Now, just I want to explain you. Yeah, you can say I made a video as a revision for the patterns which I have taught you in class for the sequential one. For example, if I want the output as 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in exam many of the time it is asked write a program to generate the following output. Now normally they give you they need to display this output 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So let us see how we can obtain this by using our techniques. Now here, as I taught in the class, we are going to use two variables I and j. This variable I will be dedicated for the outer loop and j for the inner loop. Now here, what I have to observe is in the desired output, we have to observe the first row. That is this first row. In the first row, how many contents are there? It's only one. Okay. So depending on the number of contents, here I'll assign a variable c and I will set it to 1. Okay, c is equal to 1. Now, what we can do next? What our next funda says? Now, funda number 2 says, now here we have to count the number of rows. For example, we let us see how many rows we have in this desired output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. So, if you have 5 rows, your outer loop should get executed 5 times. For example, I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay. Now, this is the outer for loop. Now you have to be very careful while giving the boundaries. Okay, this is the opening curly brace and closing curly brace for the outer for loop. Now inside the for loop, as I taught in the class, there is a formula for the sequential one. Now what are sequential and what is reverse, I have taught to my students in the class. For j is equal to 1, the formula says j is equal to 1 semicolon j less than equal to c j plus plus. Okay, opening curly brace, closing curly brace. Now let me again come to the desired output. Now here we want to print the different values. In order to print the different values inside this inner loop, now you can see this is the inner loop. The highlighted one is the inner loop. Okay, now inside the body of the inner loop, I'll mention a statement printf percent d, sorry, in double quotes percent d, double quotes complete, comma j for different values. Okay, and here immediately after the closing curly brace of inner for loop, we are giving a regular formality, that is printf in double quotes slash n. So if you give double quotes by slash n, whatever is going to get printed in this output, whatever is going to get printed will be displayed on a new line. Okay, and after that the last master stroke was simply to observe what happens in each rows. Now here you can see in this row you have a single content, in second row you have two content, in third row you have three contents. You can observe the contents are increasing by one. Okay, this is a pattern which you are observing. So here we'll give c plus plus, that means c will get incremented by 1. And here if I run this code, let us run this code, control F9, I'll get this desired output 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Now many of the students ask me a question, so what if there is a space in between this thing? Suppose if things are like this, 1 1 2 3. Okay, here 1, imagine we want this as the desired output. Now what we can do? Okay, let us see. Now we want this space, huh? So it's an easy thing, no logic to be applied in this case. Here what you have to do is simply you have to give a space over here and your problem will get solved. Let us see, let us run this code. What I have done right now, here in the printf, simply I have given one space. Okay, you can observe the space over here at this particular junction. I have given a space. Okay, let me run the code. So I got it with the spaces. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please respond. Thank you. That's it for now.